So, hi everybody, a very good afternoon. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and the CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. I'm the founder and the CEO of the firm. We're into designing, supplying, and also manufacturing home and office interior solutions. There's a catalog which has all the products, which has furniture, which has lamps, mirrors, consoles. It has beds, it has racks, it has stuff for children, and then of course there are the smaller items, which are the fast moving ones for festive occasions and stuff like that, which is gifting items like coasters, candle holders, there's cutlery, there are picture frames, and a lot of other interesting items and stuff. And I've shared this 2 days back that if you were to kind of research, the costing of many of my products and our products is cheaper than what you would find in certain showrooms and even on Amazon. And the make is different, the finish is different, the treatment is different. So no two products which you find even on Amazon or in an offline store can be the same and stuff. They look the same, but there'd be a difference in probably the finish, probably the weight, probably the color, probably the warranty or whatever. Okay. So I'm the founder and CEO of Amdicon Design, and I've been watching movies back to back because I've been recovering and coming out of my spell of bad health of cough and cold and stuff. I'm good. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I'm sure I'll look it too. But only I know how it feels when you have two, three issues happening simultaneously and stuff. But nevertheless, I'm sharing my thoughts on this huge concern of technology. And when we were in college, or we've grown up reading books on professionalism and corporate culture and business management and coaching and stuff like that, there is this thing about connecting the dots. So the concept, I think, got kind of incepted by Steve Jobs. He's not one of my favorites and stuff, but he did say something like, you can't connect the dots looking forward, but you can only connect them looking backward. Okay, this does not mean that you have to be kind of only focused on your past or where you've been and stuff. You can always look backwards, reflect, you can take inspiration and stuff, and you can connect the dots and be in the present. So you have to trust that there is something known as your gut, your destiny, your life, karma, or whatever. And believing that the dots will connect in the future will give you the self confidence to follow your heart, even when you don't even know what path you're going on or things are not going on that great and stuff. Okay, so nobody has this perfect life and stuff, even if it looks perfect or whatever. They still have issues and concerns like everybody does, which they may be discussing only with their immediate environments or people or family or whatever. But the point is this, that when you're in the world of entrepreneurship, design and architecture and stuff, one has to take a collective realistic attitude towards life. Do you have plans, plan A, plan B, plan C and stuff? So I say there are 36, there are 26 alphabets, so stay cool about it. I mean, whenever there is uncertainty or whenever something is not going the way you planned it, there's a blessing in that. And probably if you're going to kind of rack your brains and you're going to talk to different people from different worlds and environments and stuff like that, you may even have better ideas or new insights coming in and stuff. Okay, so that's how you stay creative. And since there is so much of emphasis on the negativity, which a lot of people emphasize on, and a lot of shit about social media, that there's only bullying happening, or there's only abusing happening, there's only bad quality or content happening and stuff. That's not true. It's not totally correct. The point is, there are lots of people who are enthusiasts, and a lot of people who are sharing positive stories. There are lots of amazing stuff happening in stuff. And if you really want to take a breather and stuff, the onus lies